Hello, Scott here with SkipperBud's. Here we're looking at one of our 2023 Starcraft EX20 cruises. 8.5 foot wide with a traditional pontoon layout. Some nice seating up here, a lounger in front of the driver, a nice bench seat over here. Does have some cutouts here for cup holders. There's a nice pop-up changing room that goes here. Again, some nice seating all the way around. A nice little sun pad there. This boat does come standard with a power bimini. Nice big storage compartment back here. We'll get the cover in here right now. This boat does come equipped with a 90 horse command thrust, along with a deep 4-step ladder. And what I like about this boat is nice. It does have some ability to walk across the back here, so you can get off the boat either side. Boat is rated for 10 people. A nice functional dash. Comes with a Jensen Bluetooth stereo. Nice seaweed flooring. There's some nice storage in here as well. Of course, storage underneath all the seats. They are all rotocast constructed. If you have any further questions or any interest, give us a call.